Alright guys, another video on Clickbank and digital marketing. Now, getting your business online can be quite intimidating, more especially as a startup and then you have no funds. Alright, now statistic holds it that one major hurdle facing every startup is usually the issue of fund. And you're like, fund for what? Fund to put your business online. From creating content to launching your content to taking up your website, it's going to cost you something. All right, it's going to cost you money. Okay, now it doesn't matter if you're outsourcing it or you're trying to do it yourself, you are definitely going to spend money if you don't know how. All right, now in today's video I'm going to show you how to put up your content on the internet, how to put your business online without actually spending a dime with the following free tools. Okay, now before I get into this video, do me a favor by subscribing right away, hit the notification button, smash the like button, leave a comment, and if you have questions, don't forget to ask questions because I'm going to be here to answer your questions. Welcome back. My name is Maz White and I make 100% of my income using the internet. And one of the ways I do that is through affiliate marketing online business. So if you're looking for a way to make legitimate money online, not less than $2,000 every month, don't forget to check out my crash course. The link is below this very video. So at the end of this video, go and click on that link to watch my crash course on affiliate marketing. Now what that crash course will do for you is hold you by the hand and show you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. I tell you, you're going to be making not less than $2,000 every month working from the comfort of your home. All right, now if you're coming across me for the very first time on the internet, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the notification button, subscribe, leave a comment, ask questions, and I'm going to be glad to answer all your questions. Now having said that, let's jump straight to the video of the day. All right guys, another one on Clickbank and digital marketing, and then welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, hit the notification button and leave a comment. All right, so if you look up here, you're going to see loads of content on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. All right, all these resources you can use, leverage the resources to augment your online presence, make profit, and scale your business. All right, now like I said earlier, if you're promoting from Clickbank, JVZoo, or whatever platform, you can always use the tips here to grow your online business. And today we're looking at using free tools, folks, to bring your business online. All right, like I said in my introduction, I said taking your business online can be very, very intimidating if you don't know how to go about it. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you loads of free tools that you can use to create content, float your content, and go make profit, folks. The first what I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to categorize these tools. All right, I'm going to categorize these tools right away. All right, so in terms of graphic, free tools for graphic, okay, I recommend you go for canva.com. all right, canva.com is a graphic, whatever thing you want to do, whatever graphic work you want to do. Okay, Canva give you a free space to use their tools, all right, to some extent before you can get into the premium plan. In other words, if you don't have money, you can actually come here to use Canva to create presentation, social media, graphics, YouTube, Instagram posts, Instagram story, Facebook posts. All right, whatever thing you want to create on social media for your business, Twitter posts, presentations, Canva got series, thousands and hundreds of templates that you can at least use for free. So all you have to do is go to Canva, create your account, and use Canva. Okay, a lot of templates that you can social media template, business template, personal marketing, education templates. All right, For instance, if you want to create a Facebook post, all right, or Facebook cover, all you have to do is come here, use their templates. Very easy to use. All right, I'm not going to be teaching you on this video how to use Canva, all right, but Canva is very easy to use. All it takes is just click on what you want and edit it. So if you don't have money to get graphic service, you can come to Canva and use Canva to some extent. All right, Canva is number one. But one thing within Canva is that if you're not within the paid plan, you cannot use the image remove background image remover feature. All right, so to do that, you go to place like remove BG. All right, upload your image here. Okay, remove BG. Okay, upload image. To, for instance, if I want to remove the background of this image, all I have to do is click on this image and get the background removed. Okay, this is automatic. You can see the background is automatically removed. So this feature is not available for you on Canva if you're not in the paid plan. All right, so that is it. Then another place that you can go to get stock images for your graphic is also Unsplash. A large quantity of the pictures here is free. For example, if I'm looking for something, if I'm looking for yoga mats, all right, if I'm looking for yoga mats, I can always get image on yoga mats here. All right, yoga mats. Okay, yoga mats. I can look for, get the image here for free. All I have to do is just download whatever image. All right, download it. It's free, so you can come here to get free images for your content. Okay, very simple. So this is about free digital marketing tools, and I'm just showing you where you can go and get free digital marketing tools. All right, so when it comes to doing your keyword research, I highly recommend you go for this. If you don't have money, all right, to go for maybe Moz or Uber Suggest or any keyword research tool, you can always come to H Super Tools. All right, you go to your browser, type in H Super Tools. H Super Tools give you keyword research tools for free. If you're doing SEO, SEO for your content, all right, like keyword research tool, you have bulk keyword data tool, question explorer. This is free. All right, you can come here and do your keyword research for free. All right, YouTube keyword research for free, your articles keyword research for free. All right, to optimize your article. All right, this particular tool is completely free. The only thing you have to do is create your account here. All right, create your account and go use all these search engine optimization tools. All right, H Super Tool is completely free. Now free tool for copywriting. All right, free tool for copywriting, I recommend you go for this swipe.co. Swipe.co has loads and loads of attention grabbing headlines or copies that you can use for your copywriting, to write your sales copy. All right, within every niche. For example, if I'm looking at online business or weight loss, anything here, all right, all you have to do is click on maybe spirituality, weight loss. Okay, like weight loss, now we have swipes. All right, that you can, for example, if you look at here, it's how to burn off body fat. All right, if I click on it, how to burn off body fat. Okay, this one also, these are attention grabbing headlines. These are headlines that will stop anybody on their track to get their attention. Then I see my ex-husband have his secret trick. All right, so swipe.co is one place that you can go to get sales copy templates for free. Another place that you can go to generate attention grabbing sales headline is on title generator. It's completely free also. For example, if I come here, I can type in something like free digital marketing tools. I hit enter and it's going to pop up results pop-up headlines that you can use for your content practically for free. For example, if you look at here, these are loads of headlines that you can actually use to write your content. It's completely free, folks. These are free tools. This is one of the free tools that you can use. Now, if you're also thinking about something like getting your website online, there is somewhere like blogger.com. Okay, you can use blogger.com to launch your business online without paying a dime. All you have to do is have a Google account. All right, have a Google account. Come down here, sign in, and just create a website for your business. It's completely free. Say publish your passion your way, create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. All right, you can also use Google site. Google site is another one, free also, to launch your business online, to take your business online. And then Google site is quite easy to use. The only thing you need is a Google account and you are good to go with Google site. Okay, you're good to go with Google site. Now, are you thinking about creating your sales funnel, which is the process of finding and qualifying your customer? I recommend you use ConvertKit. ConvertKit has a plan, a free plan that allows you to build email content, to gather email contacts for, I think, as much as free for 300 subscribers. Okay, I think this ConvertKit has a free plan. Okay, if you want to build landing page, send email, broadcast, sell digital product, this is a free plan on ConvertKit. That means you don't need to pay anything to use this particular plan. All right, it's free, completely free. If you don't have money to start off, please, if you're getting value from this video, don't hesitate to give me a like. All right, and then System.io. I think System.io is more clearer for me. System.io has a free plan, all right, for 2,000 contacts, unlimited email send, sales funnel, 3 sales funnel, sales funnel steps, and all that. So if you don't have money to launch take your business online, if you're into affiliate marketing, you can always come down here and use System.io. All right, System.io free plan is a good one for you. I think GetResponse also has a plan like this, a free plan called GetResponse Free Forever, and you can check it out if you don't have money to float your business online. So these are all free digital marketing tools that you can leverage to get your business online, all right, without any stress. That means if you don't have money, you can use all these tools that I've just shown here. I forgot to show you Unsplash. All right, Unsplash is another. All right, I think I showed you Unsplash. You can come here, get free stock image photos. All right, it's free. All right, so let me give a rundown from Canva for graphics, remove background to remove images, your Unsplash to get free stock images, H Super tool for search engine optimization, keyword research. You can come here and do keyword research for free, all right, for your content. Okay, swipe.co to get attention grabbing headline, to get sample sales copy that grab attention. Okay, and also you can go to title generator to generate titles for your articles, for your write-ups. I mentioned blogger.com for free website. I mentioned Google site for free website. You don't need to pay money for any of these. Then I mentioned the System.io free plan to create your template, create your landing page, your sales funnel. You can always come down here. I won't also forget to mention ConvertKit. ConvertKit is another one that you can go try. Their free plan allows you unlimited landing pages and forms. All right, that is it, folks. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, ask questions. All right, and I'm going to be here to respond. God bless you for staying till the end of this video. See you in my next video.